What you get? Oh yeah. Berapa empat lah? Okay.
Okay, sini saya treat.
Oh my god, Dek! Okay. I'll come later. Okay.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum. No. Hey, you're my daughter. Hey, you're my daughter. No. Yeah. You're my niece. Hey. Take picture tak? Ni. Di mana baby Fatima? Baby.
Sini dulu. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nah, telefon. Yama.
You want to take picture or no? Okay, come.
Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Thank you.
Oh. Hello.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Good. For my mom. Sekarang ada kat Umrah. My mom and my dad. Okay, ready?
Dapat nama tak?
This one. Alright.
Okay. Yeah. What do you want? Oh, we don't have this. We don't have this for you both. We don't have the box. Because of you, I like pink last time. Oh, boleh give you yeah. Thank you so much again. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Alright, bye. Thank you. Bye, auntie. What do you want? You want a box? What's the what? Mochi? Mochi? Alamak, siapa boleh bawa? Cepat. Mana mama? Dia nak bawa Fatima boleh beli mochi? Okay, you go. Wow, dia kopi banyak lah. Dia kopi kurus lagi. Oh my. Hi. We only talk to each other on tracks and Instagram. Nice. I don't like that. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my God.
Yes, here you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Hello. Dah sempat pergi kat dia.
Dia pun.
This is yours. What did you get? Sibuk tengok. Wow, your name is Siti Nur Fatima. Beautiful name. Okay. I'll hold for you.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Alright.
Thank you.
Okay.
For you. Thank you so much. Of course I am. Yes, please do. I'm more than happy to see you tomorrow and Sunday. Hopefully to collaborate with you in the future. Oh yeah, sure. What do you do? Sell clothing. Okay. Can. Nanti see me tomorrow and Sunday. Let me know. Okay? Saya penat makeup ni nak jumpa aunty kakak. Kak Fatima? Yes. Terima kasih. Jangan.
Okay, ready?
Jangan ke?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Satu request, Fazlan je satu orang. Dia nak lama je.
Oh, Ayi. Okay. Video lah apa kakak? Kakak okay apa? Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. Okay, saya minum satu. Sana, betul apa? Why so expensive? Aduh, sebab nak.
Okay, ready? 3, 2.